welcome to my channel. Today I will continue with Tatti mettu Adavu of lesson number 17. So first I will show the footwork. So this is Adavu number 2 of lesson number 17. So let's begin. Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti. So this Adavu is little complicated, so you need to look carefully. So if you are doing on the right side, you have to jump on toes, tap left feet and lift up the right feet. You have to do twice, then jump on the right side, tap left leg and bring back the right leg in Swastika position. Then tap right leg, then left leg, then right leg. Similarly, on the left side, jump, tap right leg and lift up the left leg. You have to do it twice. Jump on the left side, tap right leg and bring back the left leg in Swastika position and tap left leg, right leg and left. So now I will show the hand movement. So we have to take Tripataka hasta and place it in this way. So if you are doing right side, you have to place the right hand like this, spread away from the body, straight to the shoulder, and the left leg will be upwards to the side of the head. Let's begin. Tatti tam, 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 Tatti. So note that there is no change in hand positions. So all through the steps, the hand position will be same. So just you have to jump, tap the left leg and lift the right leg. So this part is very important. So you have to do it vigorously. Tatti tam. These 3 beats you have to do vigorously so that you are able to touch the toes with the fingers. So you can do it. Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti. So again I will do on the left side. Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti tam, Tatti. So in this Adavu, the eye movement will be on that direction, in which direction you are doing the steps. So if you are doing on the right side, so the eyes will go on the right side while doing the movement. So while jumping, you have to look corner wise in the hand